Hey girlies! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today in this video we will get to know about how to be organized. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to tell you is that being organized always starts from doing your work by yourself. This is the very first step of being organized. Let me give you an example of this. If you want to be organized, you need to wash your own dishes, you need to fold your own blankets. Now let's get to the second step of being organized. So the second step says that to be organized you need to download apps in your phone that helps you keep organized. If you want me to give you the best apps to stay organized, then comment. I will make a separate video on that. Now let's get to the third step. The third step says that to be an organized girl you need to start doing journaling. This will help you to keep your thought out of your mind to your diary, whether if they're bad or good. To stay organized, I also suggest you to do exercise daily. No matter how skinny you are, exercise is not only to slim down, but also for your mind peace, your well-being, and it also builds your muscles and makes you feel strong. So that is for today, girls. I will see you in the next video. Till hit the subscribe button and let me know if you liked this video. Thanks for watching.